All right, guys, caught this really nice spot just now. 2.75, 2 3/4. Ain't a tournament winner, but it's a limit filler. All right. West Point's starting to get some big boy spots. Look at that. Could have called it. Another big spot. Oh, Big Eye. Look at old Big Eye right here. Well, I made a bait adjustment. That's another 2+ pounder. Throwing that fish head spin. The blade and the wind is the deal. Another 2.5. Finally got one to bite. All right, that's been a long time coming. Tied this little fish head spin on. They want that blade in the wind. And he absolutely hammered it. Got it all the way down. Give me my bait back, buddy. Little spot. That one ain't gonna help none, but makes me feel better. Makes me feel good just to get a bite. What's up, everybody? Gonna do a real quick kind of recap and review of how the practice went for the BFL. Ended up doing good in the BFL, but that'll be the next video in line. But practice. So I guess practice is two parts. One, I went the weekend before and fished Friday, kind of figured out what the fish were doing, and then I fished a tournament Saturday that I won. Caught 15 pounds, 3 ounces. Felt really good about it. That weight would have actually gotten me a top 5 in the BFL. So I was kind of feeling good about the tournament, and you know, decided, hey, I kind of know what those fish are doing. I'm not going to mess with those. Let me go to a totally different end of the lake, which was the south end. And went to the south end and yeah, found a school of fish, which, so at West Point, the south end is dominated by spotted bass primarily, but there are some really big largemouth. The weather had been extremely warm, and I was ready to commit to fishing north, fishing in the rivers, but man, I found them. I rolled up on a little place, a little drop-off on Thursday, which I didn't film Thursday. I didn't have time to get my camera. Caught 2 fish off of this one spot and saw them on my live scope come out, and man, there was a group of probably 15 to 20 4 to 5 pounders, 3 to 5 pounders. I caught a 3 and a 4.5 on back-to-back cast on that spot. So this was one of those tournaments where I was really anxious, really nervous, wanted to get to those fish right away. I thought I had a chance to win. I did have a chance to win. Friday I fished around that area, just looking around, caught some spotted bass, hung a really good largemouth 3 to 4 pounder, and just tried to expand on the area and find, you know, another group kind of like that. You know, if you got 2, if you got 3, you know, your odds go way up. So that's kind of how practice went. You know, if it didn't work out on the south end, my plan was to go to the north end, and that's what I did in the tournament. But all in all, practice was good. It was really fun, really exciting. Felt like I was gonna really do well in the tournament, and the footage is up next. So hope you enjoy it. Leave me a comment, like and subscribe to the video if you haven't already, and you know, feel free to ask any questions. You know, this is primetime pre-spawn. This is when you catch those giant bags, when you do find that group of females that's stacked up together that's about to move into those spawning pockets. So yep, hope you enjoy it, and we'll catch you next time.